Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are Clash of Clans player, you know how important gems are for processing faster, upgrading building, and speeding up those long-awaited upgrades. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get gems quickly in Clash of Clans. So, if you are tired of waiting for those upgrades, hit that like button and let's jump right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. First up, let's talk about achievements. Clash of Clans has ton of achievements and many of them reward you with gems. You can find them in achievement tab in your profile. And second, clearing the obstacles in your base to earn gems. Trees, rocks, bushes and logs can be cleared from your base. They drop gems every time you clear them. Another way to rack up gems is participating in special events. Supercell often runs events that offer gems as reward for completing certain tasks, like winning a set of number of battles or earning a certain amount of loot. Similarly, clan games and challenges is one of the best way to earn gems. As a clan, you can complete tasks together, and at the end of each clan games event, there are rewards, including gem. Now, if you are really into a rush, you want to get gems faster, you can always purchase them from in-game shop. Gems can be bought with real money, and while I know it's not free, it is a quicker way to get a ton of gems. So, there are better ways to get gems quickly in Clash of Clans. So, those were the better ways to get gems quickly in Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.